Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Higgsfield credit card details, or how to remove or add your credit card, debit card from Higgsfield account. Okay, so first of all you need to visit on the official website and you need to log in into your account. Once you logged in, you need to tap on your profile icon. You need to select manage account option. Once you select manage account, you will see there is an option like subscription, and the left side of the window you need to tap on this button subscription. It will pop up a new window. On this window you need to scroll down at very bottom. On the bottom side you will see payment methods. You can add your payment method on this screen, or if you want to remove your payment details like bill, your card details, you can select at the very last bottom side billing information. You need to select manage. Okay, once you tap on manage option, there is a manage button. You need to tap on manage button and it will pop up a new window. On this window, if the details is available, you can cancel it, and once you cancel you will see this kind of payment option. You need to select update billing information and you can remove your card. You can add your card very easily on this screen. So this is the information. Now if you have any other issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye and take care. See you soon in the next video.